Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today we are going to solve one more problem, which is missing number, and it is also easy one from the Leetcode. Okay, so let's see what is our problem. So you have given a array of numbers in which you have 0 to n numbers which are unique. So let's say if you have n equals to 5, then this num must have contained 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the numbers are unique and are in the range of 0 to 5. So we have an array which contains 0 to n numbers and they are unique. Now the question is, in between this range there is a single number which is missing. Let's say if you have n equals to 3, so that means you should have number 1, 2, 3, right? But according to the question you have given an array like this, that means there is one number is missing, right? So if we look at it here, the missing number is 2, right? So basically we have to find only missing number from the range of 0 to n. Let's take another example, nums equals to 0, 1. So here our range is starting from 0 and ending at 1. So what is the missing number in this array? It will be 2. Why 2? Because between 0 and 1 there is not a single number which is missing. So there is only one number possible which is missing after 1, which is 2, right? Because we are considering from the range of 0 to n. So there is always a number which will be missing from the array. So according to this problem you won't find any example which does not have any missing number. So let's take another example. So what is the missing number here? We have 0, 1, 2. Here you can see 3 is missing, so we will print our 3, right? Now after 3 we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also missing. So you won't find any case where more than 1 is missing. Okay, you won't find this kind of example. So you have to find only one missing number from the array from the range of 0 to n, and it will be always missing from all the examples. So now how we can solve this problem? So we have nums equals to 3, 0, 1, right? If you arrange these nums, it will become 0, 1, 3. So these number are in the range of 0 to n, and if you write a number 0, 1, 2, 3 in the range of 0 to n, you can see there is 2 is missing, right? So we have to find 2 only. So before solving this problem, let's understand one concept. Let's say you have covered 10 kilometer, right? In between there is checkpoints at every 1 kilometer, and there is another person which is also covering the distance from the back, right? So let's say it covered 8 kilometer. So what is the remaining distance, or we can say what is the distance between both of them? It will be 10 minus 8, which is 2, right? Similarly, if we know we have a number 0 to n and we can do a sum of these number, it will become 6, right? Also we know the numbers in which we have missing number and we do a sum of them, it will become 4. So difference between these two numbers 6 and 4 will give you a missing number, right? So what I'm saying, you have array with the missing number, you have array without any missing number, and if you do a sum of these numbers and do a subtraction, you will get a missing number, right? Because if you do a 0, 0, it will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 3, 3, 0, right? Only 2 will remain. So basically if you look at this example, your sum is kind of 6 and the sum for original array is 4. So the distance, or we can say this missing number, can be find out by subtracting both the numbers. So that's the concept behind this problem. Okay, so let's write our code. So first we will declare a variable which is total sum, and we will do a total sum. If you have a number from 1 to n, right, it is a series, so you can easily apply your formula to do a sum of n numbers. So this is our total sum. Now we will declare one more variable which is going to store this sum, right, which is from the original array. Now after this we will run our loop and store the sum of the array. Now you have to return an answer. So our answer will be total sum minus sum, right? The difference between total sum and sum will give you the missing number. So what is the time complexity? It will be big of n and space complexity big of 1. So let's write our code. You have given an array nums containing n distinct numbers. Distinct means unique numbers in a range of 0 to n. Return the only number in the range that is missing. So you have given number from the range of 0 to n and you have to return missing number. So you have given 301 and the missing number is 2. You have given 01, your missing number is 2. Here you have given 0 to 9, your missing number is 8. Let's declare n which is storing our num size. Then let's calculate total sum, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. Let's declare one more variable, sum. So this loop is summing up all the values and storing in the sum variable, and after that we will return our answer, which is total sum minus sum. So let's run it. So okay, there is total sum. Okay, the initial test cases are passed. Now let's submit it. So it got accepted. Okay, so this is our problem. Okay, so basically you have to find total sum and the sum from the array and do a subtraction, which will give you a missing number. Okay, so that's it for today. Until then, thank you everyone.